Welcome back to the Japan FinTech Observer. Get ready for a quick hit of the latest news in Japanese finance and fintech. We're diving into the headlines, breaking down the trends, and leaving you with the insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. Let's go.
Wise has become the first non-bank operating in Japan to be granted approval to join Zengin, Japan's domestic payment network. The approval is the first step for Wise in gaining the ability to process payments in real time without any intermediaries. Once the work is completed to fully connect to Zengin, Wise will be able to provide instant, under 20 seconds, cross-border payments to and from Japan for individuals and businesses. Access to the Zengin system has historically been restricted to local banks. However, following a review in October 2022, Zengin Net's board decided to extend access to fund transfer service providers, which paved the way for Wise Payments Japan to apply to directly join the system. Wise has spent the last 13 years building an entirely new, better network for the world's money. It is doing this by replacing the legacy correspondent banking system with a scalable alternative that directly connects local payment systems around the world without the need for banks and other intermediaries. Wise has already connected directly to 5 domestic payment systems in the UK, Europe, Hungary, Singapore, and Australia. It is this infrastructure that enables around 60% of all transactions on Wise around the world to be processed instantly, under 20 seconds, with average fees of 0.62%. It also powers some of the largest banks and businesses in the world, such as Japan's GMO Aozora Netbank, to offer faster and more efficient cross-border payments to their customers through the Wise platform, Wise's infrastructure solution. The approval to join Zengin further enhances Wise's network capabilities, resulting in Wise platform partners also enjoying quicker, cheaper, and more reliable payments to and from Japan. Earlier this year, Wise Payments Japan became one of the first international financial services companies to be granted a Type 1 funds transfer service provider license. This means Wise's Japanese customers, both individuals and businesses, can now send and receive up to 150 million Japanese yen per transaction in more than 40 currencies, including major currencies such as the euro, British pound, US dollar, Korean won, and Singapore dollar, at the mid-market rate, with no hidden fees.